Ruger Ranch Rifle. Great all-round, brilliant little performer. This one is in 5.56 or 223. They also come in 7.62 by 39. Mag pull magazine, so AR compatible. This one's a 10 shot, and like the Mossberg we looked at earlier, you can put a 20 shot or a 30 shot in there, whatever floats your boat. Short little stumpy barrel, factory threaded, so it's designed so you can put a moderator on there. One caliber I did mention was the ever popular 300 Blackout as well, which is the subsonic version. Picatinny rail, basic, bolt action, reliable. Top Tang safety, cocking indicator. It is a real basic working rifle with no real frills, nothing to break and nothing will break. It's a Ruger, it's rugged, it's reliable, it does what it's supposed to do. This is used by not so much starters, it's used by people who want a hard working tool. This is also used by a lot of club shooters who just want something for shooting on the range. They don't all want a straight pull AR type M16 rifle. That'll shoot just as well. And I've seen people shoot beyond 600 yards with these little dinky rifles. And it's just incredible. It's like anything. If you've got it and you want to use it, it will not let you down. So it's not in the same price point as the M77, which we saw earlier today with the classic Mauser action. It is the American action, which is a lot easier and cheaper to produce. That is reflected in the price. But again, a great all-round working rifle.